Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. Today is on the intro. So it goes like this. That one right there. So we're gonna start off, I'm gonna have some tabs on the screen either up here or down there. So starting on the 3, I like to slide it up. So I'll go from 3. It's gonna go. Okay, so again. And then from there it goes. Alright, so it'll start from the top. And that's like a hammer on right here, so it goes. If you guys can't do that, you can just do. So, start again. Alright, so that's the first part of it. Now the second part, you guys can always go back to it, and I'll have the tabs maybe in the comments that so we'll go to the second half of that, or I say about third, or not third, yeah, second part of it goes. Okay, so again. Then after that, I'm gonna leave the lyrics. Okay, so that one is on the 3rd fret, A string. So it goes 1, 2. Okay, so. Slide from 3 to 5. Then again. I think that's right. So let me try to play it in the real time. So. Or you can do. Okay. Let's try this one, that second part. So it goes. Then. Again. Okay, so that's the ending. So putting it all together, it's let's try.
thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.